If you want to type in Scottish Gaelic on your iPhone, here's how to type the accented characters. First, open up any app in which you want to type. I'm using the Notes app as an example. But this works in email, texting, Facebook, Twitter, and everywhere else. I've opened up a new note and I'm ready to type. First, of course, turn the caps lock key off. Then, if you'd like to type a grave accented A, press the A key and stay pressed down on it. You'll see a whole range of accented characters pop up as options. Holding your finger down, slide over to the one you want, the grave accented A, and then release. See how it's typed an accented A. And then it's the same thing for each letter. If you'd like a grave accented E, press the E, hold down until you see the options, slide your finger over to the desired option, and release. There's your E. For I, hold down the I. You'll notice that the accented I that you want is in a little bit different place. Slide down to it, keeping your finger on the screen, and release. For O, again, it's a little bit over here in the middle. Select and release. For U, slide down here and release. And that's how you type the grave accented letters for Scottish Gaelic on an iPhone. Now, if you're typing in Nova Scotia Gaelic, or if you are quoting an older manuscript, you can also type some of the acute characters. For E, hold down the E again, and instead of selecting the grave one, just slide over and select the acute one. Same thing for A, slide over to acute, and for O, slide over here to the acute O and release. If you're wondering how to type the capital letters, it's pretty much the same thing, but you want to make sure to have your caps lock on. While your caps lock is on, press the A, and now you can see that there are all accented capital letters. Select the accented capital A that you want and release. Turn the caps lock on again if you need it. And here's the capital E with a grave accent. We'll turn it on again for capital I with an accent. O and U. If you're typing a word and this accented letter is part of it, as you might imagine, you just continue typing. So if we want to type a word that starts with a capitalized accented letter, we type our capital O here, and then you just type the rest of the word as usual. If you want to type a word and the accented letter is in the middle, you just type your letters, and then when it comes to the one that you want, do that, and then your last letter. And that's it. That's how to type the accented characters for Scottish Gaelic on your iPhone. Tapaleaf.